Hi, this is Gary from landofcoins.com. Thanks for clicking on this video and watching it. Appreciate it. Today we're going to continue with the series on half cents. Half cents were made between 1793 and 1797. This video is for the 1794 year, 1794 half cents. And also, if you don't know what Land of Coins is an online rare coin auction website that you can buy and sell your coins with no transaction fees. There's no buyer's fees, there's no seller's fees. You can put your coins on there yourself using a computer and pictures, and you can sell your coins with no fees. It's a small monthly payment, but there's no transaction fees. So check it out if you haven't already, landofcoins.com. Back to the 1794 half cents. These coins have 9 different varieties exist for the 1794. You should know what variety you're looking for, because some varieties are more rare than the other varieties, and it can make a difference in the value of the coin. I am going to go through specifically on separate videos each variety so you can identify what variety you're looking at. Right now I'm just going to go over the general characteristics of the 1794. I say there's 9 varieties. There's 9 general varieties, but between variety 1 to variety 6, number 1 through 6, those have 2 different size letters on the edge of the coin. So really you have 2 different size letters on the side of the coin for varieties 1 through 6, so that would be 12 varieties. And then the varieties 7 through 9, remember I said there's 9 of them. 1 through 6, there's 2 varieties each of those, and then 7 through 9, there's only 1 size of edge letters on the edge of the coin, for a total of 15. Also, the metal that they used in 1794 when making these coins was inferior. It had imperfections. It probably had maybe a mixture of other metals into it. So what happened with this copper metal that they used to make these coins, immediately they would start to turn a darker color. So it's very common to find these 1794 half cents to be in a darker color, almost like a dark, like chocolate kind of look to them. And this is normal. So when you see a coin, you read you say it's made out of copper. Why does it look dark? Well, this is why. The coin's metal just turned to a darker color, so that is normal. They made 81,000 of these coins in 1793-94, and of those, because it's 225 years later, only 2,500 of these coins are known to exist. Of the 2,500 coins known to exist, as far as problem-free coins, which should be the coins that you're looking at purchasing for long-term collecting, problem-free coins, there are only about 700 to 1,000. So when you look at those numbers, 81,000 were made, only 700 exist today, 225 years later. That's about 1%. Less than 1% exists. That's why these coins are rare and very sought after, because there's not that many out there. In the lower grades, below mint state, if you're looking at circulated coins, for every grade that you look at, there's probably about 30 to 40 that exist that were graded by, say, pcgs or NGC. There's about 30 or 40 per grade. So let's say you're looking at a G4 grade, there's probably 30 of those. Maybe a 20 grade, there's 30 of those. Up to 50. 50, there'd be about 30 of those too. So each grade would have 30 coins in its grade. And then when you get into mint state, things change. Values go up quick because there's only about 3 for every grade of the mint state grades. And I don't mean every single grade, because there is only, I think there's a couple in MS63 and MS64, and once you get up to MS66, there might be, I have to look at the numbers, but there'll be 1. And for pricing on the 1794 half cents, the grades go up, the pricing of the coins go up quickly. So for a G4 grade, You can pick up that coin for about $500 to $1,000, which is a great price for a coin that's this rare. Also, going to like a grade 40, you can expect to pay about $5,000 for that coin. And then for the mint state grades, say mint state 60 through 65, which those are the ones that are available or that are out there, MS60 will be about $25,000, and then it goes up quick when you're getting into the higher grade mint state. You're looking at about $150,000 for an MS65. Now there are some varieties of the 1794 half cent that are extremely rare, where there might be only 2 or 3 in existence, and those coins will probably end up being about 10 times more valuable. So it's important to know what varieties you're looking at. So go ahead and click on the links below in order to see the varieties and learn the differences between them, and make sure you check out landofcoins.com if you haven't already. Thanks for watching this video.